Tell me honestly, what's the value of 1 hour of your time? Is it rupees 500, rupees 5,000, or is it priceless because you'll never get that 1 hour back? We often calculate the value of our money, but rarely the value of our time. And that mistake, undervaluing time, may be the single most expensive financial decision of your life. Let me give an Indian example. Ramesh, a 40-year-old executive in Mumbai, spent 60 hours trying to learn tax laws online and file his income tax return himself. He saved about 15,000 rupees in advisor fees, but in the process, he missed claiming a legitimate exemption under Section 54 EC when he sold his flat. So what happened? His mistake costed him 3.6 lakhs in extra tax. 60 hours of effort to lose 3.6 lakhs of rupees. Was that really a saving, or was it a very costly DIY project? Joe Selesky said in his TED Talk, you can always make more money, but you can't make more time. And that's the point. Money is renewable, time isn't. Every hour you spend wrestling with things outside your core expertise is an hour lost forever. In India, today, many families earning well in their 30s or mid-40s are still financially stressed. Why? Lifestyle creep. Because 2 houses when one is enough. Delaying retirement savings because children's foreign education eats up crores. Job insecurity. AI and automation are changing careers faster than ever. See, these challenges require sharp and proactive financial strategies. But most people spend years in trial and error DIY mode until it's too late. So here's the truth. A good advisor isn't a cost. They are a time multiplier. They save you spending 100 hours of Googling mutual fund options by giving you a clear, researched roadmap. They prevent you from costly emotional mistakes like exiting equity in March 2020 when markets crashed. They keep you disciplined, rebalancing your portfolio at the right time, while you focus on your career, your business, or your family. And most importantly, when you work with seasoned advisors, what happens? You just don't get their advice. You benefit from the countless lessons they've learned by handling thousands of real-life cases before you. One conversation, and you leverage decades of wisdom to avoid costly mistakes. Let's do a quick calculation. Imagine that you're earning about 30 lakh rupees a year. That's roughly about 1,500 rupees per hour of your professional time. So if you spend 100 hours a year on doing it yourself, investing and tax planning and researching, that's about 1.5 lakh worth of your time. Now, if your professional advisor charges you rupees 50,000 a year, but saves you from that one bad property loan decision, one mistimed equity exit, or one missed tax exemption worth lakhs, the ROI is immense. So outsourcing wisely doesn't cost you, it actually pays you. So if you do decide to outsource, what should you do? Don't just pick anyone. You should look for qualified advisors with decades of experience who have seen every mistake in every market cycle. Advisors who can offer all services in one place. Taxation, investments, insurance, will, HUF formations, etc. So that you don't waste energy coordinating across multiple people and multiple products. And in today's world, credibility does matter. Choose professionals who have a very strong social presence, client reviews, and community trust. That way, you're not just outsourcing tasks, you are actually plugging into a whole ecosystem of proven expertise. So people say and often ask me that why should I pay fees when I can learn online? Now here's my answer to them. Information is everywhere, but wisdom, accountability, and personalization is that an advisor brings you not just knowledge, but judgment. And when it comes to your retirement corpus, see, one wrong judgment can cost you literally crores. So let me leave you with this one question. What is truly scarce in your life? Is it money or is it time? If time is priceless, then why spend it doing things an advisor can do better, faster, cheaper in the long run? Find those trusted, experienced, holistic advisors. Outsource intelligently and reinvest your time into the things only you can do. Your family, passions, growth. Because in the end, money may let you retire rich, but only time well spent will let you retire free.